I'm at the farm. These are all rabbits. 10 facts about rabbits. A rabbit can scratch or bite when it's frightened. Rabbits can play games like follow the leader and hide and seek. Rabbits do litter with the rabbits do better with the rabbit friend. Rabbits need lots. Rabbits need toys or they get bored. Rabbits are the I know. Larger rabbits are better for children. Wow. Oh, there's one drinking his water. There's a fly bite. These are my favorite ones. That one's called Ginger. Ginger. Come here. I'm kind of scared. I almost fell. There's a guinea pig in this one. Let me see it. It's scary, huh? I'm gonna come out of the rabbit pen. We came here on our bikes. Stinks. It stinks down here. Stinks of the beach or something. Can we go to the beach?
If the tide's in it right. Depends if the tide's in it right.
Stop, I may bite. Daddy, did you know it said that their top 10, it's like 10 facts about rabbits. Larger rabbits are better for children. I thought smaller rabbits would be. Maybe they're more easier to handle.
Got a rabbit?
Yeah, but hers is dwarf.
Got
red eyes.
How big is it? Huh?
That size.
Not really small. Really small.
Well, it's not really small. It's called Snowy.
Is it white?
Yeah. Red eyes, evil.
Smell and all that?
No.
Huh?
No. She keeps hers outside. It's quite odd and has a play area and everything.
Oh, it's safe to put them outside.
I know. It's not safe to put them outside. If I ever get a rabbit, I'm going to keep mine inside. But she has a cover for hers.
Oh, I don't know if that's nice, doesn't it?
There's guinea pigs in here. They're all scaredy cats. I need to wash my hands because I've been touching them. Wanna go?
Yeah. To the beach.
I need to wash my hands.
Take this on or something. Nothing to dry your hands with. No drying towels.
Is there
Oh,
shoes?
sugar. Just leave it. You don't need to wash them.
Are you sure?
Huh? Well, that's just split.
I've been touching rabbits.
Okay. All the time you don't wash your hands.
I need to get my helmet on. One second, guys. I need to get my standoff and I'll be back whenever we're out of here. So guys, we're out of here, but I can cycle all the way to the beach. So this will be part 1. So I'll see you guys in the next part. Bye!